Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you all an outdoor motion sensing solar light. The box shows that it is 0.6 watts with a 220 milliamp battery, which is really cool. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is truly my own. I just want you guys to be able to make the best decision for yourselves. Really excited to have this light. I've yet to review a solar powered light, so this looks really cool and I'm excited to see it in action. The link to this will be in my video description below. It'll take you right to Amazon. You can see the most current price and hopefully look around for some promo codes or go ahead and buy it with all the other stuff that's in your cart. So without anything else to do, here's the box with the packaging, a nice graphic showing you how to place the light and how it casts its light. On the back, it's showing you lighter or darker light depending on how much sunlight you receive for the solar light. So really a nice box. I like the black and yellow-ish color schemes complemented by the white. So it looks really good. Without anything else to do, let's go ahead and open it up. First thing out of the box, they give you a mounting screw and anchor, which is really nice. And then here is the LED solar light itself. This looks really sweet, really slick, really liking it. We can see too, we have a user guide. So let's go ahead. Solar motion light. Features easy install on walls, trees, metal, and glass. Interesting. So it shows you how to go ahead and use the screw and just zap it in right up there and it's installed. Make sure it's in an area with sunlight. So it says it needs to absorb sunlight within 3 meters height. So looks really easy and straightforward. Nothing else besides put it in the sunlight and zap a screw up here. All right, so it looks like we can see it right now without it having to charge, which is really cool. You can go ahead and push it on in the back. Looks like there's 3 toggles for different brightnesses. And then the 4th one's off. So 1, 2, and it increases in brightness. So this is really cool, a really neat light. Since we don't have to wait, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my studio light so we can really see how bright this is. All right, so I'm back here. You can barely see me. This is really cool. It's really bright. I love that it's got LEDs on the side. This is the first setting. Here's the second setting, so you can see it's even brighter. And then here's the third setting, so it's even brighter than that. Really an awesome, exciting light, perfect for anything outdoor related, especially if it's by steps, that sort of thing that you need lit up, and it's in the sun. Again, really happy with this product. The uses for it outside are unlimited as long as you have some good access to the sun. It's really cool, really sharp looking. Love it's got the motion sensing too. So it's got, again, can recharge from the sun and it can track motion to light up. So really, really neat stuff, guys. It's an awesome light. Go ahead, check it out. It seems really durable too, that it can last for a while outside. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you may have. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Go ahead, hit that sub button, hit that like button, and join my newsletter. Thanks, guys. Bye.